Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai. This is class 8 history, chapter 8, civilizing the native, educating the nation. Topics to be covered today: the tradition of Orientalism, grave errors of the East, education for commerce, the report of William Adam, the agenda for a national movement, Tagore's abode of peace. The tradition of Orientalism. Let us see what is meant by the tradition of Orientalism today. In 1783, a person named William Jones arrived in Calcutta. In addition to being an expert in law, Jones was a linguist. He had studied Greek and Latin at Oxford, knew French and English, had picked up Arabic from a friend, and also learnt Persian. At Calcutta, he began spending many hours a day with pundits who taught him the subtitles of Sanskrit language, grammar, and poetry. Soon he was studying ancient Indian texts on law, philosophy, religion, politics, morality, arithmetic, medicine, and other sciences. Asiatic Society of Bengal. Jones discovered that his interests were shared by many British officials living in Calcutta at that time. Englishmen like Henry Thomas Colebrook and Nathaniel Halhed were also busy discovering the ancient Indian heritage, mastering Indian languages, and translating Sanskrit and Persian works into English. Together with them, Jones set up the Asiatic Society of Bengal and started a journal called Asiatic Researches. Jones and Colebrook came to represent a particular attitude towards India. They shared a deep respect for ancient cultures, both of India and the West. Indian civilization, they felt, had attained its glory in the ancient past but had subsequently declined. So, Jones and Colebrook went about discovering ancient texts, understanding their meaning, translating them, and making their findings known to others. This project, they believed, would not only help the British learn from Indian culture, but it would also help Indians to rediscover their own heritage. Hindu College at Benares. With this object in view, a madrasa was set up in Calcutta in 1781 to promote the study of Arabic, Persian, and Islamic law, and the Hindu College was established in Benares in 1791 to encourage the study of ancient Sanskrit texts that would be useful for the administration of the country.